Hello and welcome back to Fitter with Lynette. Today is session number 13 and today we're going to do exercises focusing on full body, cardio and balance. I hope everybody has done their warm up and ready to get started, and now let's begin. Exercise number 1 is called ice skaters. For this you start with standing up straight. You're going to place one foot back and then you shift your weight and go over to the other side. I'm going to break this down for you a little bit because this might sound a little confusing. So as my left foot goes back, my left arm goes up. So you're leading with the left arm and left foot back, and the same with the right. So right leg goes back and arm goes up. Do it slowly at first to get a hang of it. Remember, you have your arm and leg positions right. This exercise is good for your coordination and will also work on your ankle and your thigh muscles. Remember to do it slowly, and then as you get a hang of it, you can speed it up. Exercise number 2 is called butt kicks. For this, you start with standing up straight, place your hands on your back, and then you just lift your heels up to reach and touch your hands on your buttocks. So you go up as high as you can go, lifting your heels up to reach your hands. This exercise is good for your hamstrings. Hamstrings are the muscles which are on the back of your thigh. If this is difficult for you to go all the way up, I'm sure it must be difficult for some of you. So you can just go halfway. Just do up as high as you can go. Should be a little challenging for you, or you can reach all the way up. Exercise number 3 is called square steps. This is a good exercise for your balance. And now, as you can see, I have put 4 sticky notes on the floor as markers of a square, and I'm going to go from 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you want, you can put sticky notes like these for your reference, or you could just imagine a square and then just go on all 4 corners of the square. We're going to see how many squares we complete in 40 seconds. If this is challenging your balance, or if you're getting off balance, you could go slow. That's okay. You could do slow steps, side and back. But for people who want extra challenge, go as fast as you can go. So lots of options. Either you could do it slow or as fast as you like. As you can see, you're practicing forward, side and backward step in this exercise. Exercise number 4 is a fun exercise and it's called juggling balance. For this, we're going to use a tennis ball. If you don't have a tennis ball, it's okay. You can use an apple, an orange, any fruit that you can. We can just going to throw it up in the air. We're going to take a side step and catch it. So you're going to do side step and catch. This exercise is very good for your eye-hand coordination. It also works on your catching, and the other part is stepping sideways. So this exercise has 2 parts to it: catch and step to the side. You can do it as fast as you like or go slow at your own pace. Remember to step sideways while you're catching the ball. The 5th and last exercise for today is standing twist. Today we are going to do standing overhead twist. For this, we are going to keep our arms up while we are doing the twist. Start with your feet spread apart, and then we're going to twist the body on one side and then to the other side. Remember to do this as freely as possible. So you're going to swing your body one way and then the other. Don't force any movement. Do as lightly and as much as your body allows you to do. So it has to be a free swinging movement without any pain. This exercise is very good for your spinal mobility. I cannot emphasize more. Spinal mobility is very, very important as your spine tends to get stiff as you age and because of sedentary lifestyle. I'm going to try to make it as flexible as possible. That's the end of our session for today. I hope you are able to do the exercises well, and I will see you in the new year. Take care everyone. Bye and be safe.